Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create AE-like text on CapCut using Android or iOS. So first you just have to launch your CapCut application and then tap this new project right here. And then for our text, you have to look for a black background. You can go to library, tap videos, and you will see here background, but you have to make sure that this is a black background, plain black background right here. This one, and then click add. And as you can see, it's loading. So to add text, you just have to click text or add text right here. And for this tutorial, I'm going to add with great power. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And now, if you want to change the font, you just have to click this text right here. And for a better quality or a better font, I highly suggest you have to look for Rubik, Rubik. So you can tap this one here and then go to font style or fonts. And then you have to scroll down and look for Rubik, this one. And then click this check right here. So this is what it looks like. Now you're going to look for styles, tap blue, tap the second option right here. For intensity, you can choose a 30, but everything is up to you actually. And range, you can change that or you can just leave it that way. And this is what it looks like. The next thing to do here is you have to simply click this text again and then look for animations. Go to out, tap this out right here, scroll down, and you have to look for expand effect. So you have to scroll down here and look for expand effect. And then after that, you just have to click, okay, this one is expand, and then tap checked. And this is what it looks like. So you can tap this play icon or play button to see the result. Okay. So you can just leave it that way. Or if you want to add more effects, then you can export this. Okay. Wait for a couple of seconds till it reaches 100%. And then after that, you're going to open CapCut again and then add a video. This is a simple video, but everything is up to you. So I have added this video and add overlay. So you have to click this text right here and then go to splice and then click lighten. So it also remove the black background. So this is what it looks like, as simple as that. Actually, you can just, create or duplicate this if you want the same effect. Now, if you want to add more effects, then what you're going to do is you can just simply go to effects right here, tap the text and then go to effects. But this time I'm going to show you other way or other way on how to enhance this or to make it more beautiful. So if you want to expand it, you just have to, if you want to make it bigger, you just have to press your two fingers and then zoom out. Okay. Now you have to go to mask and then click adjust, but this one is optional. You can tap adjust, go to horizontal, and then place some effects right here. But everything is up to you. So this one is optional. You can follow this or not. But this is how you add horizontal effect right here. So you can move it to the left or to the right. So this is how the letters, I mean, if it goes fade away, it can go to the right side, it go to the left side. Okay, and then after that, if you add this, then okay. If not, then you just have to click this plus icon, or you can remove this mask effect right here. So let's go to the next one. So if you want to add something like fade in or fade out effects for both, then you can add a keyframe here from the start and then in the middle. Now for the first part here, you can look for animations or effect like this is for fade in. So for the first part, first keyframe here up to the middle, you can look for the fade in. So tap in, click fade in, saturation. For the second keyframe, you have to look for animations and then out, and then go to fade out and then set a duration. Okay. So you can do that for the video and also for the text. You can add keyframes for the text if you want, add fade in and add fade out. So this is a very basic and a very easy way on how to add some effects on your text here, especially if you want to create a short video or short animation or animated film, something like that for cartoons or for human. So as you can see, I have added an out here, out effect, and I am looking for fade out. So the result of this actually is pretty basic, but you can add more effects if you wanted to. This is just a little or just a basic tutorial on how to create a like text. So it still matters on your video sometimes of how you add video, what video you choose. And then all you have to do is to add this effect right here, add this text, add some effects, and this is the result. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.